Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. I would like to say thank you for coming to my presentation. It's great to see you all and I hope you are in good health. Let me introduce myself. My name is Kireina and you can call me Clarinsa. And I am from Class 7A Design and Manufacture Engineering study program. And you can see my identity in this slide. In this opportunity, I would like to present about my final project proposal. The title of my final project proposal is Design and Manufacture of Bus Crankcase Jig for Turning Process on CNC LATHE Machine. Let me explain to you what we'll be discussing for the next few minutes. First, tell about the author's personal data that has been discussed in the previous slide. Second, tell about the title of final project proposal that I have been told before. Third, we will discuss about the background, which is the reason of the raised topic. And then we will discuss about the research problem, which is based on the topic raised. Then we will discuss about the research objective, which will be explained the purpose of the raised topic. And then we discuss about the research significance to describe the benefit for raising the topic. And then we talk about the research delimitation, which is to describe the problem limits from the topic raised. And then last, we talk about the research method to describe the flowchart in the research methodology raised. Okay, let's start. I will tell you about the background, which is the reason for raising this topic. The breaker of the final project proposal entitled Design and Manufacture of Bus Crankcase Jig for Turning Process on CNC LATHE Machine, based on the experience gained from the company, which is the company where my OJT is. CV Gaya Indah is a manufacturing company engaged in machining service. One of the products that will be produced is bus crankcase. Right there, which is one of the components in the crankcase that in the motor vehicle that serve as a bearing seat on the crankcase and to reduce friction and seeding resulting from bearing rotation. Manufacture bus crankcase using CNC LATHE machine that is on CV Gaya Indah. This is one of the CNC LATHE at CV Gaya Indah. Turning process that use only chuck and jaw can result in lack of efficiency due to low machining time, low production rate, less optimal result, and less strong grip. To support the process of turning bus crankcase, a jig is required so that the production process is not hampered and need to be adjusted to the material because the production process of the product will run with a high quantity and high production rate. From that problem, it will be made 3 jigs for the turning process bus crankcase products. Designing and manufacturing jig are made simple by adjusting the material and machining needs to be used. Furthermore, the manufacture of jig and trial, which is to know if it is in accordance with the needs of the company, so that it can make work easier with a high production rate and the target can be achieved. After discussing the background, next we will discuss about the research problems. Based on the background that has been described before, some of the problems obtained are: first, how to design bus crankcase jig based on the turning process on the CNC lathe at CV Gaya Indah. Second, how to manufacture a bus crankcase jig based on the production needs at CV Gaya Indah. And last, how does the performance of bus crankcase jig on the CNC lathe at CV Gaya Indah. Next, we talk about research objective. This is the research objective in the final project proposal. First, knowing the design of the bus crankcase based on the turning process on CNC lathe at CV Gaya Indah. Second, can manufacture a bus crankcase jig based on production needs at CV Gaya Indah. And last, knowing the performance of the bus crankcase jig on the CNC lathe at CV Gaya Indah. Next, we will discuss about the research significance. The research benefits of writing this final project proposal. There is for students, for provides general information about the process steps of designing a bus crankcase jig based on the turning process, and provides information on how to manufacture and how the bus crankcase jig perform based on the turning process. For institution, as a reference to increase the knowledge of other students and the use of appropriate technology in manufacturing. And last, for the company, help support the production process and increase the rates of production. After discuss about the research significance, we will discuss about the research delimitation. The limitation of the problems in this final project proposal include: first, the design and manufacture of jig can only be used for bus crankcase products. Second, the type of jig design can only be used for CNC lathe machines at CV Gaya Indah. Third, doesn't discuss the lifetime of the bus crankcase jig. And then doesn't discuss welding power, and didn't discuss the estimate cost of making a bus crankcase jig. And last, the gripping power using hydraulic power from CNC lathe. This is the flowchart of manufacture. First, I did study of literature, and from problem formulation, and preparation of list needs, and data collection, and then making design concept with the two concept with specification like that. First, material, size, weight, function, and design, and filtering concept, and selection of design concept, and design a concept. After that, I analyze the shear force, and if the result of shear force analysis is smaller than the allowable stress, then making a detailed drawing. If not, prepare a concept design. After making a detailed drawing, we manufacturing bus crankcase jig and do a trial. After that, if the jig matches with the criteria like this, I discuss and conclusion and recommendation. If not, required a repaired jig and finish. Then we talk about a design concept. This is a design concept of bus crankcase jig for the first jig. This is a first design concept, and this is a second design concept. For first design concept, the design is simple, strong jig enough, material is easy to get, affordable material price, easy jig operation, easy to manufacture, easy to repair. But for the second design concept, the design is too complicated, inefficient jig operation, difficult in manufacturing, not easy to repair, but the jig is stronger than the first concept. Affordable material price 2, material is easy to get. Then we talk about design concept of bus crankcase jig, the second jig. This is the first design concept, and this is the second design concept. The first design concept have a simple design, have a strong jig, affordable material price, material easy to get, easy jig operation, and easy to manufacture. But this jig is not easy to repair than the second design concept. And for the second design concept for the second jig is design same, simple, material easy to get, easy jig operation, easy to manufacture, easy to repair, but this jig is not strong enough, and material price is more expensive than the first concept. And last, this is the design concept of bus crankcase jig for the third jig. This is the first design concept, and this is the second design concept. For the first design concept, this jig have a simple design, have a strong jig, affordable material price, material is easy to get, easy jig operation, easy to manufacture, and easy to repair. And for the second design concept, affordable material price 2, material is easy to get, easy jig operation, easy to repair, but this jig is too complicated. The design is too complicated, and this jig is not strong enough and difficult in manufacturing than the first concept. Okay, this is the last my presentation. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you for attention and thank you.